Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated the Polo shopping complex in Shillong on Thursday, marking a significant milestone as the city's first modern mall developed under the Smart City mission. The event was attended by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Neobhalang Dhar, East Khasial's Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, along with other senior officials from the state government. The newly inaugurated shopping complex is expected to enhance urban infrastructure and provide a modern retail experience to the residents of Shillong.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, as the Union Minister of Finance inaugurates the Polo shopping complex.
Fruitful discussion on the future of the state. I just want to say two things. Number one is that I have been working with our Honorable Finance Minister for many years, and I want to share in this platform today that Madam has been always very kind and considerate towards our state of Meghalaya and also the entire Northeast. She has a very soft corner for the people of the Northeast, for the Northeast region as a whole. And we have always felt that whenever we have gone to request her for any kind of special consideration for our state, Madam has never said no. I also want to share with all of you that there is a special program by the Finance Ministry which is called the Special Assistant to Capital Investment for different states, and this is a scheme which is mostly meant for infrastructure development, and with the blessing of the Finance Ministry and the blessing of our Honorable Finance Minister, Meghalaya State has been able to get maximum funds through this scheme which we call SASKI, and with the help of this program many roads connectivity have been developed, many large infrastructures have been created, and different kind of iconic projects have been made, and many more will be made in the future.
We realize that road is obviously a very important connectivity. Therefore, there's a new roads on the roads, under 690.